Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum.
あれオリバー、その曲ってくるみ割り人形？珍しくクラシックなんて口ずさんでるじゃん。
Well spotted, Maya. I can't get it out of my head. Actually, Tchaikovsky's ballet The Nutcracker premiered on this very day back in 1892. It's perfect for the Christmas season, isn't it?
へえ、1892年の今日が初演だったんだ。確かにこの時期になると街中でよく流れてるよね。なんかワクワクする。
Exactly. It's magical. But while 19th century magic is lovely, today I want to talk about some 21st century magic, or rather technology that feels like magic.
21世紀の魔法？何それ？新しいガジェットの話？
Something even bigger. It's about how we move around. NTT has just made a massive move regarding autonomous driving.
NTT が自動運転？通信会社の NTT だよね。また大きなニュースだね。
Yes, huge news. NTT has officially launched a new company called NTT Mobility. Their main goal is to accelerate the social implementation of autonomous driving across Japan.
ソーシャルインプリメンテーション？社会の実装？どういう意味？
Good question. Social implementation is a phrase we use when we talk about taking a new technology like self-driving cars or AI and actually putting it into practical use in society. It's not just an experiment anymore. It's becoming part of daily life.
なるほど。社会実装ってことね。実験室の中だけじゃなくて、実際に街中で使えるようにするってことか。
Exactly. Until now, different parts of the NTT group were doing their own pilot programs, but this new company will bring everything together to streamline operations.
ストリームラインオペレーション？ストリーム？流れを良くするみたいなイメージ？
That's a great way to picture it. To streamline operations means to make a business or organization work more simply and effectively, usually by removing unnecessary steps. Instead of 3 different teams doing similar things, they combine them to work faster and smoother.
ああ、なるほど。バラバラにやってたプロジェクトを統合して、もっと効率よく運営するってことね。無駄を省く感じか。
Precisely. And here is the interesting part. NTT Mobility won't be building the cars themselves. Instead, they're offering a one-stop service for local governments and transport companies.
ワンストップサービス？これはなんとなくわかるかも。ワンストップサービスって日本語でも言うよね。
Yes, a one-stop service provides everything a customer needs in a single place. So, if a rural town wants self-driving buses, they don't need to hire a software company, then a car company, then a maintenance crew. NTT Mobility handles all of it.
へえ、それは便利だね。地方の自治体とかいちいち全部自分で手配するのは大変だもんね。全部お任せできるなら移入しやすそう。
Right. They're specifically hoping this will help regions that are struggling with driver shortages due to the aging population. They want to have 1,000 autonomous vehicles running by the 2030s.
2030年代に1000台か。ドライバー不足は日本の地方では本当に深刻な問題だから、こういう技術のソーシャルインプリメンテーションは本当に急務だよね。
It really is. It's fascinating to see a telecom giant becoming a key player in public transport to streamline operations for the whole country.
本当だね。通信と交通が融合していく未来が見える気がする。
Speaking of visions of the future, do you remember the Osaka Expo back in 1970?
1970年の大阪万博？私は生まれてないけど、太陽の塔とか有名だよね。
Well, there was a famous concept displayed there that people thought was pure science fiction, a human washing machine.
人間洗濯機？まさかあの人が中に入って現れるやつ？なんかのアニメで見たことあるよな。
Believe it or not, that concept has finally become a reality. A company has officially announced they will roll out a modern version of the human washing machine.
うっそー、本当に？ロールアウトってことはもう実際に発売やれるの？
That's right. To roll out something means to officially launch or introduce a new product or service to the market. They unveiled the commercial version on December 16th.
へえ、ついに市場に出るんだ。でもなんで今なって人間洗濯機なの？
Well, unlike the 1970 version, which was just futuristic, this one is designed to help solve a serious labor shortage in the nursing care industry.
レーバーショーテージ、労働力不足だよね。さっきのバスの話ともつながるね。
Exactly. A labor shortage is a situation where there are simply not enough workers to fill the available jobs. In nursing homes, bathing elderly patients is a physically very hard work for staff.
なるほど。介護現場のためなんだ。お風呂に入れるのって介護士さんにとってすごい重労働だもんね。腰を痛めたりするし。
Right. And it's pretty cutting-edge technology. It doesn't use scrubbing brushes. Instead, it uses ultrafine micro bubbles to lift dirt off the skin gently.
カッティングエッジ。これは最先端のって意味だよね。ブラシでゴシゴシ洗うんじゃなくて泡で洗うの？肌に優しそう。
Yes, cutting edge refers to the most modern and advanced stage of development. Using micro bubbles is much gentler on the skin of elderly people than rubbing. The user just sits in the chair and the machine does the rest.
すごいテクノロジーだね。1970年の夢が現代のカッティングエッジなテクノロジーで蘇って、しかも社会の課題解決に役立つなんて感動的。
It is, isn't it? It fits perfectly with what we discussed earlier. The company plans to start with care facilities, but eventually they want to roll out a version for regular homes too.
家庭用も？家に人間洗濯機があったら疲れて帰ってきた時とか最高かも。
I was thinking the same thing. Imagine coming home after a long day, sitting in the machine and just relaxing while it cleans you. It would definitely help with my personal laziness, if not a labor shortage.
オリバーのその怠け癖はどうにもならないかもね。でも介護現場のレーバーショーテージを救う救世主になってほしいな。
Absolutely. Both the autonomous buses and this washing machine show how technology is evolving to support society as it changes.
日本は高齢化が進んでるから、こういう技術がどんどん必要になるね。
Indeed. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's expressions. We had some good ones for discussing business and technology.
はい、復習タイムがね。
First one, social implementation. Social implementation. This refers to the process of putting a new technology or system into practical use in society, making it part of daily life.
社会実装。新しい技術を実験段階から実際の社会生活で使えるように普及させることです。
Next one, streamline operations. Streamline operations. This means to make a business or organization work more simply and effectively, often by combining tasks or removing waste.
業務の効率化、合理化。無駄を省いて流れをスムーズにすること。
Third one, one-stop service. One-stop service. A service that provides everything a customer needs in a single place, so they don't have to go anywhere else.
ワンストップサービス。一箇所でに必要な手続きやサービスがすべて完了すること。
Fourth one, roll out. Roll out. To officially launch or introduce a new product or service to the public.
新製品などを本格展開する、公開する、市場に出すこと。
Fifth one, labor shortage. Labor shortage. A situation where there are not enough workers to fill available jobs.
人手不足、労働力不足、働く人が足りていない状態です。
And finally, cutting edge. Cutting edge. The most modern and advanced stage of development.
最先端の技術などが一番進んでいる状態です。
Great job. These are excellent phrases to use when talking about news or business trends.
ニュースを聞くときによく出てきそうな言葉だったね。特にソーシャルインプリメンテーションは最近よく聞くテーマだし、使ってみよっと。
Definitely. Whether it's self-driving buses or human washing machines, the future is arriving fast. Keep an eye out for these changes in your neighborhood.
本当だね。寒いけどみんなも暖かくして過ごしてね。
Stay warm, everyone. See you in the next episode. Bye.
またね。